You will not believe what you're gonna see. After 1 month and a few days, this is how her hair looks like. Yet, she loves it more. She wanted it to look new and she didn't have time to sit for a new hairstyle. You're gonna see how this is going to look like after a few minutes. It's gonna be around 50 to 60 minutes and this hair is gonna be restored to looking fresh and new again. Wow, a lot of people asking how this is gonna be. Just stick with me on this video. I am JK as usual, a professional hairdresser and a hairstylist from Hair Crown UG. Wow, now these twisty braids are gonna be repaired without relocking them, without anything that is painful, and you will really appreciate my good work. First and foremost, we are starting with holding this hair in a puff way to give me space and to give me access to reach or to start from down here on these first strands. I didn't show you something. I first washed this hair because it was dusty. It was a bit itchy and it had some solid oils in it. So I first washed it. And mind you, washing, you have to take some precautions when washing braids or when washing braid hair. I've always been showing you this in my previous videos. You can go into the previous videos. If you don't know how to wash braids, you will see how I do it. Yeah, let me take you straight to our repair, our hair refreshing. This is how I do. Don't forget the use of gel, and then I'm having a small piece of braid, of my extension braid. I used to braid this same hair, and then I'm applying a first applied gel on the sides of the box. Then I had my crochet tool to crochet the hair through the box down here at the root. Crocheted the extension braid down here at the root, and then I started rolling it at the root. Then don't forget the use of scissors. I'm gonna take it so fast on this, and here is the biggest part we've so far made, we've so far refreshed, or we've so far repaired. Most people fear locking their hair, so this could be a better option for you if you fear locking your hair, because locking your hair comes with a good advantage of it looking nice and neat, but then the problem is in undoing it. Sometimes some hairdressers lock hair in a wrong way and they cause it to break, and they also weaken the roots of the hair. That's why, if not sure of doing it so well, I recommend you to use this type of hair repair. As you can see, you apply your gel. Gel helps in gripping hair so well and making neat boxes. And then you have to have a crochet needle or a crochet tool or a hook, and then hook in or crochet in the extension braid down here at the root, and you start right away rolling the braid at that grown part where the hair has grown. And then afterwards, make sure at the end of the extension braid that you've added on, you make sure you tie it, so that you tie it very well and palm roll. It is so good to palm roll, and then make the use of scissors. You go around trimming off the dead ends to make the strands neat again. We almost winding up this video. Hope you can see a great change on how far we've gone on this repair of our twist braids. You see the thin layer I get, the thin layer of the extension braid I get, and then I'm going to crochet it down here at the roots. Hope you are following me so well. And then after crocheting it, I start rolling from the roots. I salute you from wherever you are tuning in. Please, if it's your very first time, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell for the uploads we do on a daily basis. We bring you here all the hair tips, how to care for your hair. We upload only protective hairstyles on this channel, and they give you all the advices. If you have any questions that you want us to answer, please go into the comment section and ask. We shall answer you right away. I think you can see what I'm doing here. Please just stick with me and see the end results. This hair is gonna look new again, and you won't believe this has lasted for more than a month. Let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Please give me thumbs up for the work well done. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, of course.